It's like the taste of summer homemade peach ginger ice cream. You're gonna need these readily available ingredients to make it. Let's start with freshly picked peaches. They're washed, halved, and diced. We're also taking a 2-inch knob of ginger. It's peeled and then chopped. Then, over to stovetop, medium-sized saucepan, add 3 cups of peaches, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of dark brown sugar, then add the ginger, a pinch of kosher salt, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Stir and cook on medium heat for 20 minutes, then zip it up and let it cool completely. Next, the cooled fruit gets stirred in with 2 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of 35% cream. Pour it into your ice cream maker and process as directed for about 20 minutes. You'll be enjoying homemade peach ginger ice cream in no time.